Okay, today is bike collection day. We are now at Technology 3 C Club outlet. Okay, so bike collected. Now we are at Block 4 East Coast Road. This is a cluster of flats that has been unblocked and it's all empty. Everything has been locked up so that no hanky-panky in these empty flats. Okay, so let's take a look at the bike. Anyway, the bike is this year's model for 2020. It's Track FX. It's a hybrid bike. Okay, so that's all about the bike. This is my current setup. So hope to see you guys on the road soon. Okay, thanks for watching.